Hello everyone, welcome to Link Frequency and I'm Aishwarya Patta. Let's continue to understand about ECU Flash programming using UDS. In our previous video, we understood about request download. If you have not watched that video, then you can watch it from our playlist. There are several steps that are involved in ECU Flash programming which we are discussing individually. So without any further delay, let's begin with the next step, that is nothing but transfer data as highlighted on the screen. The transfer data is the important part of UDS protocol as defined in the ISO 14229 standards. It facilitates the actual transfer of the software or calibration data in the blocks to the ECU during the flash programming session. Now, let us see how exactly this works. The firmware or the calibration data is divided into smaller packets or blocks, as large files cannot be sent in a single message due to network size limitation. Transfer data sends these packets sequentially to the ECU. Each packet includes block sequence counter and data payload. The block sequence counter represents the unique identifier for each packet to ensure the correct order and detect the missing packet. And the data payload represents the portion of the firmware or the calibration data. The diagnostic tool waits for the acknowledgement or negative acknowledgement from the ECU before sending the next packet. Well, let us try to understand this bit more clearly. The tester sends the request for transfer data to the ECU using the command 36, then followed by the block sequence counter and the data. Here, 36 represents the service identifier, the block sequence counter is nothing but 01 indicating the start of the packet, and then followed by the data. The data can be anything like AA, BB, CC up to 32 bytes. The response from the ECU for this request includes 76, then followed by the block sequence counter. Here in our case, it is nothing but 01, indicating that it has successfully received the block. The positive response from the ECU for this request includes 76 and then followed by the block sequence counter. Here in our case, it is nothing but 01. This indicates that the block is successfully received. Well, let's move ahead and understand this bit more clearly. The tester sends the request using the command 3601 and then followed by the data. The positive response for this is 7601 and the negative response is 7F36 and followed by the error. Just for our reference, let us consider the negative response can be 7F36 and 78. Here 78 represents request in progress. So this was all about the transfer data that is used in ECU Flash programming. We will look into the next steps in our upcoming videos. I hope you found this particular video insightful. For any queries, you can surely comment below in the comment section. Until we meet on our next video, happy learning. Tune yourself to make a difference.